you can use 2 from any one of these 2 lines, and 1 from either one of the other 2 lines. You cannot use 3 from any line.
2 from one line, 1 from another line.
1 from another line.
You have to do
2
that.
cards in your hand.
Up on the table and just let it run.
Now it's your turn to bet, if you want to bet.
And I can't check.
No,
if I check, I have to fold.
You fold, right.
Okay, I bet. Okay. Next row.
Pair of 4s and a pair of 10s right now.
Okay.
Now I turn over these 2.
Only 2 on the 3rd row.
That's right. Now it's your turn to bet.
Can I raise?
Sure you can.
I'll make it 2 more. Oh, now it's only 1.
Now it's your bet. Now, since there's a pair, you can bet $1 if you want.
Where?
When there's a pair, you can bet the $1.
Anytime?
Only when there's a pair.
No, but as soon as you did the 2nd row, we could have up to $2.
That is correct. That is correct.
But in your game, it's 10 cents and then 20 cents?
10, 20, 30.
When does it get to 30?
When I raise you. You bet 20, then I can make it 30.
You mean you can make it 50?
30.
Oh, so it's a $10. It's a 10-cent raise, basically.
It's a 10-cent raise.
Okay.
That is correct.
But you can't go from 30 to 40.
No.
That's a cap. That's like the biggest bet.
Goes
So
3
you
times.
can't raise somebody. You can't raise somebody if they bet 30.
Oh yeah, you can make it 40.
Okay, last card.
Now remember, 2 cards from one row, 1 card from either one of the rows that you don't use the 2, plus 2 in your hand.
Raise.
Zero chips is low, 1 chip is high, 2 chips is you're going both ways. Okay, open them up. We all went low.
Oh no, I meant to go
Well,
high.
it's too late
late.
now.
But I didn't understand.
I have a lock.
I have a lock.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
What game are we
Pyramid.
2, 3.
The first one
You
was
can only
windows.
use 1 from 3 of the lines, plus 2 in your hand.
And you can't use 3 in your hand.
No,
And you can't use 2. And you can't use 2
2
from
from
one
any
line.
line. Cannot
One,
use-
1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here,
Or 1 from there.
or 1 from there. But and it has
you
to be
can
3.
use 1 from 3 to the 4 lines.
Right.
1 plus 2 in your hand. So now we turn over this, 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 this.
That could
Now you got
close the
a
game.
pair of deuces.
Oh, you can only use 1 from every line.
Yeah.
1 from. That's not a pair. It's a pair of 3s, but this is not a pair. So you only got a pair of 3s right now.
I'll check.
Can't-
I'll bet.
Can't you?
I'll
You
bet.
have to bet.
I'm gonna raise.
I'll call.
It's not a pair. Pair of 6s.
50.
And I have to use 2 from my hand, right?
That is correct.
Yeah, 0 for low, 1 for high.
2 buttons for high.
Do your hands below. Take 2 chips down.
0 for low.
Yeah. So take 2 chips below the table.
Okay, well, I don't know what I'm doing yet.
Okay.
Can I see your hand?
No.
I just want to see
You'll
it.
see it afterwards. Oh no! This is.
I'm just learning.
Open them up.
So we just chop.
He's going.
No, I'm going high low.
Okay. You're going low.
I'm going low. I'm going 1, 2, 3.
You have a
4,
lock.
6.
You have a perfect low.
So I'm out.
Yes, 6.
You won everything. Because I had a full house and a 9 high, which is
No,
like,
9 high is no good. Four,
and 4.
That's
And you
right.
can only take cards from 1 quad.
That's
And how many cards can you use from your hand?
2 or 3.
2 or 3 from your hand.
Correct.
You can use,
Plus
And then
one
plus-
if you want to use that. If you want to use that.
And that then combines with one of the quads.
That is correct.
Right, it's your turn.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
would there be, I mean, would people like really not pay the money to see a card? Or
If you don't, if you don't have a
Not this early. This early? would you
How
feel?
can you tell?
you got to see what's. You can look at your hand if you like. If you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is completely useless.
Because the straight's never going to be good.
No.
But you're
Straight's
never
never
going to be
gonna-
high and you're never going to
No.
be low.
Yeah. Okay, so we turn the first row over and one in the second row.
That's right. Then we go.
One each along there.
That's right.
Okay. I can use 3 from my hand, right?
2 or 3 in your hand.
It's my turn.
your
I have to either bet or fold.
That is correct.
Okay.
As though.
Flushes. Not the greatest hand, but it's a possible. You never know what's.
Everybody else might go low too.
You don't know.
And you have to pick a quad, right? That's the other
Your
thing you
hand
have
has to
remember.
be in a
You got to
quad.
use the card from
I got it,
here.
I got it.
In
Yeah.
here, here,
Okay.
here, and here.
Okay.
So whose bet is it?
I think it's your bet now.
Yeah.
Whose bet is it? Tom's.
Don't get one of these cards to go anywhere.
Well, you turn both over at the
Yeah.
same time.
Now there's a pair of 9s out there now, and a pair of 5s out there. I think it's my bet.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to declare.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm lost. I was
No,
hoping I figured you both were going to go low.
I don't. I got it straight. That's why.
I got a bad straight.
I got straight to the jack.
That beats me.
You're kidding.
No, I had a horrible hand.
Let me see what you got.
I had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, I had it with the
Oh,
first.
I would have beat you high and low.
Well, what'd you have? Let me see.
Well, I was going to go high because I have 9s over 5s, but I'm going 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
You had zilch.
You guys chopped that,
see,
didn't you?
it-
Didn't you chop that?
Yeah, we split it. I gave it. I didn't take it all.
I don't remember getting it.
Play colors right now.
Okay, colors. Okay.
Don't forget 2 to 4 cards in your hand.
Okay, clubs and diamonds.
Your bet.
There's a bet and a call. Okay, now diamonds
That's
is
good.
good
That's good.
because it matches one of the suits here.
Is it my bet again?
I guess it's my bet. There you go.
Woo!
Pair of queens. Now it's your bet.
Could she open with 10, 20, or 30?
No, she has to open with $1. There's a pair on the table.
Oh, now if there's
Yeah,
a
there's
pair,
a
you
pair,
have to
open
you have to
with
open
$1.
with the. So in
Yeah.
your game though, it'd be 20 instead of 10, right?
It would be 20.
Yeah. Okay. And that's true of all the games.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Once the pair's there, you have to.
Because we didn't do that before.
No.
Okay. Okay, now it's your turn to open. Okay. Okay, that's no good. Heart.
No good.
So we still have a betting round even though it was no
yeah,
good?
that's right. Now it's your turn.
So it has to be $1?
Yeah.
The pairs on the board?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, nice pot.
No
No good. Throw it out. And this is it.
Yeah.
$1 and a call. Okay, now think about your hands. Get ready to declare. Okay,
Okay.
low versus low.
I have a 4-5, you got a 4-5. We got the same hand.
Chop it.
We chop it. I could have gone high, got a full house, but my full house was only 6s and queens.
So how many in your hand can you use?
But you're supposed
Two.
to deal the 5 first, right?
2 cards
Normally?
only 2 cards in your hand.
But normally you deal the 5 first, right?
That don't make a difference.
Doesn't really matter?
That don't make a difference.
How many cards are we going to see initially?
3.
3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bets.
5 betting rounds.
That's why you add the pots add up.
Oh, 6 though, because you bet once now.
Yeah, you got to bet in it, so it's 6.
Yeah. Me too.
Me too.
And how many cards from your hand?
2.
2 only.
2 only.
So what's the deal? You have to choose a line and an elevator.
Only goes this way. This
No.
one goes up and down. Only this way.
Right.
Only horizontally.
Okay. There's no pair on the board, so it's still only 1 chip.
Now there's a pair of aces on the board.
Okay.
Not really.
Yes, it
Oh,
is.
yeah.
This
The-
goes
the
up here.
elevator.
Right. And a pair of 2s. You can use 2 elevators.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to if you want to. If you
It's
want
just
to.
1 line. You can take,
You can use this.
but you have to
You
use
can
3
use it.
cards out of 1 line because you can only use 2 cards out of your hand.
That is correct.
So we chop.
Yeah, I had
I had
nothing.
a full house.
I had nothing. No.
What do we do with the extra chip? High hand gets the extra chip.
Yeah. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Which one are we playing?
There's a new one.
New one we haven't learned?
No.
Oh yeah, we played this one.
Which one's this?
If you only use 2 or 3 in your hand, if you use 2 cards, you can use 3 in your hand. If you use this card on the line, you can only use 2 in your hand.
Hey, this is the one that doesn't have a name.
No, this is nameless.
So you pick a line.
You pick a line. That's right. Not you can't merge them to a line.
But you can pick one of the cards from down
One
here.
of these 2 cards you can use.
But only one of them.
Only one out of the 2.
And if you use one of them, then you use only 2 cards in your hand.
See, the dealer antes up. No, it's supposed to ante up. So we're forgetting that. The dealer antes up.
Every time?
The
Before the
dealer-
before the game
Yeah,
starts.
it's always 50 cents.
In your game it's 50
Yeah.
cents? Even though it's 10, 20, 30?
That's right, 50 cents to open. 50
Really?
cents for the dealer.
One line or the other.
Interesting.
Okay. And one at a time?
One at a time.
Ooh.
3 8s. Pair of 7s. Now you got to declare.
Okay.
I'm ready.